Hey guys, so I'm on my nature jog. Oh, yes, the time is so hot, but we have to get this right. We gotta get it. Guys, we gotta get it. We have to get it. Yes, I'm outside, you know. Yeah, looking beautiful, right? So this is the view from the top, guys. Lovely, right? Oh, yes. It's been a while since I came up here. Yeah, but I did it. I did it, guys. That house is so big. It's like 5 stories. It's huge. Health is wealth, guys. Get those miles in, get those jogs in, get those walks in. Yeah. Walk, walk, walk. What breed puppy is that? I love these plants. I have them in my garden at my house. But these ones look like a different type. They have a different look. They're cute. Yeah, I love plants. I need to buy me some. That was good, guys. So I did it today. I went to the top. That was awesome. Now I'm green. No, the sun hot though. The sun hot. And this sweating, you have to be bathing like 3 times a day. You have to be bathing like 3 times a day. And you have to have a fan and both 3 AC in the house on because the time is really hot. This summer is very hot. It's way too hot. No, but that was good though. I know I'm gonna be sore tomorrow morning, but I'm going to order a bath that's like what do you call it? That word. I'm always forgetting the words. One of them portable bathtubs because my shower is a standing shower at the house. And I'll be taking an ice bath every week. Yeah, because I'm starting back Pilates class soon, and you know, Pilates be having you sore, right? And I may start back the gym, but I'm gonna start off with Pilates because you know I'm more comfortable in a female-only environment. So, you know, for the sake of my mental health, I'm going to start back with Pilates, and I'm going to So like somebody, it smell like somebody do in a bush, man. In a bush. Ah, now the bush smell like doo. Like somebody they have diarrhea and they have to go over there go doo. You know, yeah, it kind of smell like somebody, like shithole somebody and then they have to go doo. Yes, guys, I'm starting back with Pilates. I'm see one hand sub bite me on my neck. It hot. Lord Jesus.
Yeah. Yes. All right. Oh, and also single now. Broke up my behind
Mm-mm. No, sir. My neck. Oh, so much of them drop on me. Where them saying come from, guys? No, sir. Them bite hot. I don't know what that's enough. Yeah, so I'm planning to do an ice bath a week, guys. Yeah, one ice bath a week to help with my muscles. Guys, pain is a part of life. It's something that I was thinking about the other day, and I said, what if life was just easy? I we didn't have to go through nothing. Everything was just comfortable. Like, how would the world be? Pain has to be a part of life, and that includes pain for betterment, you know, exercising, getting sore, doing a ice bath one time a week. That is like, you know, that is good type of pain, beneficial type of pain. And it always pays off. So, yeah. So just a while ago, I was walking, guys, at the top. This lady, like when I was coming up, I passed to a lady, right? And they were staring at me, but they didn't say nothing. So when I was at the top, no. One of the lady walked up to me, like she wasn't saying nothing, and she just walked up to me and she kept on blocking me and walking up to me and she was like, hi. And she was like, is it real or is it fake? I was like, what do you think? You're trying to bully me for the answer. Oh my God. And I said, what do you think? And she said, real. And I said, well, it's 50-50. And she was like, oh, well, it looks really good. Oh my God. That was so funny though. I told them have a good evening. They were like so curious about my butt. Yeah, it be like that when you're in the streets. Like women be grabbing me and stuff like that. Oh my God. Yeah. I didn't want it to look too fake. But my doctor, he's like a perfectionist with the hips. And he did fix my hips. And I think I may go back one more time. I'm not sure. But yeah, you just have to maintain. Whenever you get surgeries, you have to maintain your look. That's why I don't ever have a problem to exercise. Yeah, but I'm gonna head home, guys. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.